Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we want to learn how to position for a future airdrop by staking Tone on Bemo Finance. Tone is the native token of Tone Network. Several tokens have been launched on Tone Network, and in the coming days, we could see more tokens get launched on Tone Network. So basically, we just want to learn how to stake Tone on Bemo Finance and just keep ourselves positioned for any possible airdrop from Tone or from any token that could be launched on Tone Network, right? Bemo Finance is a staking platform that is built on the Tone Network. In this tutorial, we're going to be needing Tone Keeper wallet. So if you do not have Tone Keeper wallet in your phone, please do ensure to go over to your Play Store, have it installed and set up in your phone. All right, so let's go right in. So want to open Tone Keeper. All right, guys, our Tone Keeper wallet is opened. So yes, we want to head over to the browser. And then we want to input the URL for Bemo Finance. I already have it copied. The URL is right in the description of this video. All right, so I'm just gonna paste. All right, guys, so the first thing we want to do is we want to connect our wallet. So we're connected. It is pretty straightforward. All right, so we're just going to impute the amount of Tone we want to stake and stake. So we're just going to confirm the transaction. All right, so we have successfully staked Tone on Bemo Finance. So apart from the rewards that might come from Bemo Finance for staking, right? The reason why you just want to do this is just to keep yourself positioned for any possible airdrop that might come from the Tone network. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of the video. I hope that the video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please do ensure to drop your comments and your questions. Like, comment and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next video.